Hey friends, if you are wondering how to stop your iPhone from auto adjusting its brightness based on ambient light, it is extremely simple. Find the settings app inside your iPhone, scroll down and find accessibility. You may also see display and brightness option over here, which has an automatic option which you can switch on and off. But this is for deciding if you want your iPhone to be on light or dark mode. So you see dark mode and light mode, and if you want to switch between it automatically, that is what this setting does. But if you want to stop automatic brightness, you go inside accessibility, then you find display and text size as an option. You click that, and right there at the bottom, you see auto brightness as an option. You could switch it off and you will see the brightness may adjust itself according to the ambient light the moment I switch it back on. So if I switch off this setting, my brightness will remain at whatever level I set it to manually. However, if I switch on auto brightness, it may automatically increase the brightness, as you can see over here, to adjust for the ambient light. If this helps you, please do subscribe to my channel. I really need it.